Alright, let's talk. Let's address the elephant in the room here. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us!
The night before Christmas Day, weary thoughts to won't go away. What a night, we stayed up all night. Now it seems like no one's gonna wait for it. Oh, it's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. But you have to wait until tomorrow. You know it's all
We have made it to Lucy Park, is that what this is, Christy? Right, Lucy Park, which is actually, funny enough, the RV park is just across the river right over there. But as you can tell, we are in our ugly Christmas sweaters. You wanna show them yours? Come here, Gus. We got a unicorn Christmas sweater, Mickey Mouse Christmas sweater with some Santa ears. What are your ears?
Reindeer.
Reindeer. And then Mommy probably has the most epic ugly Christmas sweater of them all.
That's right.
What does it say?
Griswold Family Christmas with LED lights. And we have hired our same photographer as last year. The only reason we come to visit Christy is so she can take photos for us. So she has an awesome Instagram with all sorts of fun photos and whatnot, and she actually sells her prints. So
And they're gorgeous.
if she is still doing that, which I'm pretty positive she is, we'll link that up down below and you can go check out some of the prints that she has for sale. But I am stoked that we actually get to have a professional photography shoot out here for some fun family Christmas ugly sweater photos. You ready? That's it.
Get my best. That's right. That's right. Work it like Goose does. Oh wait, no, I forgot.
You stick out the hip.
It's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. But you have to wait until tomorrow. You know he's on his way, and on Christmas Day there'll be no worry and no more sorrow.
So photo shoots are difficult in and of themselves, but photo shoots with little kids, that's like next level difficult, because this one doesn't like to smile, do you? Unless we're doing something crazy like this. Wah! And then we smile. All right, don't touch.
It's not
He's on his way, and on Christmas Day there'll be no worry and no more sorrow. It's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. But you have to wait until tomorrow. You know he's on his way, and on Christmas Day there'll be no worry and no more sorrow.
Oh, okay, now that I'm sweaty from spinning children around, throwing leaves in the air, how did they turn out?
Looks good.
Are they good so far?
Oh, sorry. Yes. Pictures. I like it. Oh, she's bringing more back.
Are you gonna throw some more leaves, Mav? Oh, good throw, good job. Now that fall is over, you guys, and it is now December.
It's my elf, see?
The elf on the shelf has showed up, you guys.
Too close.
There she is, it's Dee Dee. But what are we doing right now, Goose? What are we
I'm
gonna
gonna
do?
decorate, but I'm making her a gift.
Yep, she's got a gift wrapped up. Goose has some clothes that she's giving to the elf on the shelf for Christmas because elves never get gifts, so we're actually giving them a gift. That was one of Mommy's ingenious ideas. But we're gonna take down all of our fall decorations, all of our leaves and whatnot, and then we are going to put up Christmas lights. And you have my phone. Can I have it? Thank you. So we got all sorts of Dollar Tree decorations here. You excited for Christmas, love?
Yeah.
Are you ready for Christmas? You are? What are you gonna ask for from Santa?
Can you say Melmo?
Math. What you got?
Look.
Can you show me? What is that?
Yeah.
Is that your ho-ho?
All right, we gave Dee Dee her Christmas gift right there.
Oh, can I write my name so that she knows who it's from?
I guarantee she knows who it's from.
You're her kid.
You're her only kid. Plus, it's in our trailer.
No, she's not.
I guess she's not Mav too. Do you want to tell everybody what did you get her?
I got her a scarf and 2 skirts.
Very fun. All right, you ready to decorate?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's get all of the decorations ready.
Should we put
Maverick,
it?
say ho ho ho!
Now!
Say ho ho ho. Oh, Lynn. Music? Music,
Yes.
anybody? Christmas music?
Yeah, jingle bell.
Jingle bell rock. Baby in a diaper eating Apple Jacks. Daddy is ruining all my hard work.
That's the jingle
Cause
bell.
he is a great big jerk. Jingle bell.
She thinks I'm not going to use this audio, but I'm totally going to use it.
Do it. How you doing, Dad?
She's heavy. She's not a little baby anymore. All right, time to put the star on top. Oh, there it is. And I'm really excited about our Christmas trailer we got from Target.
And now we're gonna give Dee Dee her gift.
Yep, we already did that.
I think Dee's looking at her gift.
And we're gonna have to come up with a new saying because we've had this one since Moab, so we're gonna have to change that up. We're not very good at changing that because we don't have room to store stuff, or we don't really want to store this stuff all year long and take it around the country. We just spend like 10 bucks, maybe 15 bucks for Dollar Tree items at the Dollar Tree, decorate, and it looks good.
Headed to dinner, and we decided on ribs. I think we're doing a barbecue
It was
place.
either barbecue or like southern food.
Yes. So we are doing some sort. Got an itch on my head. We are doing some sort of barbecue place, I believe, and then we are going to go to a nature center. And then we're gonna go to somewhere that they've talked about where there is a Santa and a Mrs. Claus.
I say you keep looking at me, but I've been
I know.
not involved at all.
So we're going to like a place where there's a Santa and a Mrs. Claus. That, or they are taking us out to the sticks to...
Murder us? That
I
sounds
forgot
like
there's a child in the back. Anyway, we're headed there. There's so much bouncing. Anyway, we're headed there now. So let's go.
It's that time of the year again when it starts to draw on Christmas. All the children's eyes fill with wishes as they read the rhyme. The Christmas.
What is that, Goose?
It's a little red fire, but it has little red lights to
Oh,
make
is
it look
that-
like there's a fire.
That's pretty cool.
Then a puppy.
Puppy dog and a cowboy playing his guitar.
Santa, we're ready for you to make your entrance. Santa Claus, we're ready for you.
What do you see, Mav? What do you see? Do you see the choo-choo train?
We see the choo-choo.
So this reminds me of like a miniature version of the zoo lights that we have back at home. What do you say?
Hey, have you been good this year?
I love your head.
What do you want for Christmas?
What do you want for Christmas? Do you know? Do you remember what we talked about?
A doll.
A doll.
Oh, the elf's got that one.
Oh.
Is Rudolph running around loose?
What?
It shouldn't be hard to find. His nose should be lighting up. All right? Okay, I see you at Christmas, okay? All right. Good.
Thank you.
See y'all later.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good one.
You too.
All right, let's talk. Let's address the elephant in the room here. Christmas ended a long time ago. I realize this, guys. I realize that we are way behind on our videos, and most of the time it's no big deal. But
How far behind does that make us?
we just had Thanksgiving a little while ago. So I know
How do we always get like 3 months behind?
because we film more than we put out. Let me talk about why we do it this way. Why our
Let's
videos?
talk.
Twofold. One, we just want to document all of our travels, and if I didn't film that much, I feel like we would be missing out on some of what we did. Two, it allows me to edit and get stuff done ahead of time as opposed to having to worry about, okay, I need to edit this week for what's happening or being released next week. So it gives me like that little bit of buffer. And then three, when we don't do anything, like when we were at home or at her parents' house for a couple months and we did very minimal travels, it allowed us to keep having videos put out twice a week and just makes it more, I think, interesting for you guys. Does that make sense?
Because we aren't very interesting when we're just sitting around. I mean, maybe that's what you guys like. Maybe you want to see us like sitting like this, doing nothing.
All right, let's just sit here for a minute. So that's why we...
Maverick's music was playing in the background.
Oh,
so they felt very tranquil. They were very relaxed.
Relaxing with us. Anyways, comment down below. Let me know. Does it bug you that we're this delayed? Do you wish we were more real time?
I feel like that's what our Patreon is for, because our Patreon,
By the way, Ashley's sick. That's why she sounds so weird.
I don't sound weird. You
I
sound
sound normal.
You sound weird.
I sound normal.
Shut up. I think our Patreon
page is for real-time updates.
Yes.
Translation.
Exactly, and that's like one of the perks our patrons get. So it's not that I'm saying we shouldn't be on schedule. I mean, it is a little embarrassing that we're 3 months behind.
But I guess that is true.
I'm just saying there will never be a time where our vlog is going to be
like
completely
what
up
happened
to date.
yesterday or even last week.
Yeah.
It'll always be at least a few weeks behind just because
We need
that's
that.
how we do it.
And we need that buffer.
Yeah,
Like, it
but and the same thing like with Instagram and whatnot. You probably notice our YouTube and Instagram are all lined up. So
most of the time. Sometimes I just
sometimes Ashley goes off.
I'm like, whatevs, I love this picture.
But that's all of them are like we try and keep them synced. So the only thing that's real time, what knows where we are, like Ashley said, is Patreon. So if you are interested in that, that's always linked up down below. You don't have to if you don't want to.
Shameless self-promotion. Wink.
By the way, thank you, Ryan, for your shameless self-plug. Or shameless, not self-plug, shameless
Whose hair
plug.
is this?
I don't know.
Talk chick.
In the last video, thank you for that plug, Ryan. He's one of our patrons. Anyways, I thought I loved his comment.
It was quite funny.
Anyways,
But that just tells them that we're doing this not 3 months ago.
so anyways, let's talk about, now that we've addressed the elephant in the room, let's talk about Christmas on the road. I personally love this new style of holidays being on the road, but that's because that's my personality. I love change. I love different things. So I love that we got to go with the Hay Goods to explore these lights and meet different Santas all around the country.
Honesty is the best policy, so I will be honest. I do love traveling and all of the places that we're able to see. However, it is sometimes sad to not be able to be there for holidays. Being with friends makes it easier, so I love being able to see the Hay Goods. I love being able to spend a holiday with like one of my best friends. However, it'll never be the same as being with your entire family, which is exactly what we do for Thanksgiving and Christmas. You know, all the cousins get together, all the aunts, all the uncles.
And that's one of the reasons why for the past 2 years we have flown home to be with family for Christmas, because being together, like Ashley said, is very important for her and her family. There are a ton of travelers that we have met that don't go home. RVers, travelers, I don't know what I was trying to say, but there are a ton of people we have met that don't go home at all for any holidays. In fact, we were just hanging out with some good friends that we met on the East Coast last year, and they haven't been home for I think a year and a half.
2 years.
That's crazy. We try and go home every 3 months, maybe 6 months on the long end is what we've tried to do. So it's just all about your personality and how it works for you. If it was just me, I am not as much of a homebody and a family person. I love my family, but like
I'm not a family person.
that sounds horrible.
Sound good.
Like my immediate family are the people that I would miss most. I love my dad, I love my sister and the cousins and all that, and I love going back to see them. But I can be away from them for 6 months to a year and probably be okay. Ashley,
Hopefully they don't watch this.
RV life is not all sunshine and roses. There are difficult parts, and one of the difficult parts is being away from family. But on the other hand, playing devil's advocate, one of the better things about traveling is if you have family that live in other parts of the country, such as my mom lives in Texas, I've been able to see her and my stepdad far more this past 2 years than I have in the past decade.
We were able to see the cousins from that side, which
which
had
I
never
had
done.
hardly ever met.
We had never met your stepsister's husband. So, I mean, things like that we've been able to do, which is great.
And there's many people that we've talked to RV-wise that are going and meeting their extended family or family they haven't seen in forever. And so there's a win-win. You get to meet more family, or maybe you have immediate family that has moved away and you can go and travel to be with them, whether it be for holidays or just to say hi. And you make
crazy.
new friends. Like friends, we've met people from Canada now that Ashley's becoming pretty good friends with just because we were there at the same time at the same place.
I mean, spoiler alert, guys, be on the lookout for something super awesome and fun.
Ashley's got a new passion project.
I'm working on a project with one of the people I met, and I'm not going to say anything yet because we don't have it all set up, but
we will definitely let you know when it's good to go.
Super excited about it.
Anyways, this rant has gone on.
You're trying to make sure they don't see me.
This rant has gone on long enough.
Camera hug.
So comment down below. Let us know whether you're RVing or not. Would you be missing family? Would you go back home for the holidays? Comment down below. Let us know. But until next time, guys.
Wait.
Remember, stay positive.
No. I just want to say, the Santa that was at the place that you guys just saw, I want to give him like the biggest shout out. If I even knew his name, I would be like, what? Because he did so great. He made Goose feel so special. Like, the last Santa that we went to last year,
was pretty lame.
We had to pull him out of like, hey, why don't you ask my child what she wants for Christmas?
But the last Santa, to be fair, was more of your stereotypical like Santa. He looked like Santa. So this guy's personality was spot on.
Awesome.
So like I said, that's
and little Santa wife. Oh man,
that's the
good
fun
job,
thing about
guys.
traveling is you get to meet all these different kinds of Santas. Anyways,
yes.
Like I was trying to say, until next time, guys, stay positive. Get out there. Life is an adventure. So make
some memories.
Memories? Can't even talk.